Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hafiz. So in this Laravel video we will learn what are the mutator in Laravel. In the previous video we have learned what are the accessors in Laravel. So in this video we will learn about the mutators. To understand about the mutator we need a controller, a model, and we will use the mutator function inside the model to understand the mutator example. So let us understand what is mutator. For that we need to open the project which we have created in the previous video. So let us open the project. So this is the Laravel project which we have created in the previous video. So let us understand what are the mutator. Actually mutator are used when we are updating the database record. Before updating the database records, if we want modify any column name, then not column name but the value of column name, if we want to update, then we will use the mutator. For example, if we want to add any prefix before this name or suffix this name after this name, then we can use the mutator in the Laravel. For example, if we want the prefix before the name Mr., then we will use the mutator inside the Laravel. So let us see how to use the mutator in Laravel. So let us open the project. In the previous video we have learned about the accessor by using the user example and user controller and user model. So in this video we will learn about the mutator and we will use the same model and controller to understand about the mutator example. So let us open the controller, user controller. Show all users function is created already. So let us open the route. All users route is created. So let us open, enter. Now you can see we are getting two rows, two users in the database. Let us see how to use the mutator. For example, we want to save one more record in the database, and before saving the records we will use the mutator. So let us see. User name Adil Ahmed, user email adil@gmail.com, user password hash make password user save. So let us import the hash. Hash is already imported, you can see. So we will use the mutator to add the prefix Mr in the name field. So open the user model. To use the accessor we are using the get name attribute. For using the mutator we will use set instead of get. Public function set name attribute value $this attributes, we will pass the column name dollar value, and we will add the prefix concatenate Mr. space. So let us save this file. So let us refresh this page. So we have saved the record in the database because we are not redirecting to the any page, only we have saved the database for testing. So let us refresh this table. Now you can see we are getting one more record in the database, and before the name you can see we are getting the prefix Mr. So in this way you can use the mutator in Laravel. The main difference between the mutator and the accessor is that you can use the accessor after fetching the records from the database. You can apply the accessor for modifying the database, not database records, but you have fetched the records from the database, and before showing the records you can use the accessor. And mutator, when you are saving any records in the database, and before saving the records you can apply the mutator on the database records, and you can update the records before saving the database. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question you can ask me in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.